Let's try this bowl here. Ooh, buddy. Wow. Man, that's good. It's 75 grams of protein, lunch, dinner, got you covered. I'm trying to tell you, man, I got a great one for you today. This is one of my favorite meals I love to make. It's super simple, really healthy for you, high protein. This meal alone is gonna get you around 45 grams of protein. I'm gonna also show you a sweet treat that you can have with it as well to knock out a sweet tooth, and you're gonna kick that protein up to about 75 grams of protein. Come on now. If that's what you're looking for, I got you covered in this video. I'm telling you, you're gonna have this for lunch or dinner, you're gonna like it. Watch this. Okay, so what we're making here is an egg roll in a bowl, all right? I mean, you just can't beat it, right? Egg roll in a bowl, it's so simple. And man, I'm trying to tell you, it tastes so good. Check this out. Okay, first up, what we're using here, I'm just gonna use 5 ounces of lean beef, tricolor coleslaw. Come on now. Go get you a bag of this. Egg roll in a bowl is not egg roll without the egg. So I'm using 2 scrambled eggs. I already scrambled them up there. I'm gonna use 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar. This right here is optional. Flavor Gods, garlic lovers. Man, if you know about Flavor God, let me know. It is so good, all right? So I like to put this on the meat. This is also optional. Crushed red pepper flakes, but I put that on everything to spice it up a little bit. This is also optional. Come on now, if you know about this sriracha sauce, man, this joker right here is good, but that's optional too if you don't want to fire it up a little bit. I'm also going to use a little bit of soy sauce, not too much. You just definitely got to watch the sodium in soy sauce. This is a less sodium soy sauce, but you definitely got to watch the sodium. And then of course we have the Hughes sugar-free teriyaki marinade. This just goes great on everything. All right, so I'm gonna use this in there as well. The meat's pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and put a little bit of this on there, this garlic lovers. Like I said, this is optional, but I'm just throw a little bit of that on there. I have a cup here, cups of this coleslaw. Ooh, but it's already smelling good. I'm gonna do 2 cups of coleslaw. I mean, you can really just dump it in there if you want. I'm just gonna go ahead and measure it out because I love to measure everything out. Look at that. Look at the size of this pan right now, okay? That's 2 cups of slaw, 5 ounces of beef right there. Come on now. Let's go ahead and cover that up for a little bit. Okay, while that's cooking, let me show you the sweet treat I made. Especially when a sweet tooth kicks in, you gotta be ready. You gotta stay ready to kick back. I make this all the time. Right now, I already made this. I put it in the freezer. I don't want it too frozen, but I put it in the freezer while I'm making the meal so that after I'm done with the meal, I'm ready to eat it, all right? Especially if you're still hungry afterwards. So simple to make. Check this out. All I did, I used 1 serving of Froyo yogurt. You can use whatever kind of yogurt you want. And I also mixed in half a serving of vanilla whey protein isolate, whatever your favorite protein isolate is. I just like to go with vanilla. I think it mixes really good with that yogurt, okay? It tastes great. And then my fruit of choice, I just use blueberries. Look at that. All right, I just use blueberries. Obviously, look, half of them are gone right now, but blueberries are great. So what I did is I just put all this in a bowl. I weighed it out. I mixed it all together, and it's in the freezer right now, just chilling, all right? It's not gonna get frozen. It's just chilling. But that's gonna help me out because a lot of times, especially if you're dieting, a lot of times after your meals, you'll start to get a sweet tooth. And you're like, man, if you don't stay ready, you're gonna go grab something you shouldn't be grabbing, all right? So that's when that comes in clutch, all right? Keep that in the freezer. Don't keep it in there too long because it's gonna turn into a rock. You can transfer it to the fridge if you want and just have it as you need it, all right? It's one of my go-to sweet tooth killers. It's nothing but protein and fruit. Come on now, you can't beat that. All right, let's check on this meat. This has been going for about 5 minutes now. Woo, buddy, look at that. Come on now. So you don't want this coleslaw to get too soft. So don't, just cook it for about 5 minutes. The meat's already cooked, so it's already ready to go. I'm gonna use a little bit of rice vinegar. That on there a little bit. Not much at all, okay? Ooh, smelling good. I'm gonna use a little bit of, not too much. This right here is so good, man. Hughes sugar-free. You can't go wrong with Hughes. Put a little bit of that in there. Ooh. Go ahead and just mix that in. We are just about ready to eat. Right now, it's just in a bowl. There's no egg roll in it. So what we have to do is add the eggs, obviously. So what I like to do is just hit the middle with a little bit of spray butter. You don't have to use spray butter if you don't want to. But what you want to do, just kind of move this out of the way a little bit, make room for them eggs. Them eggs coming in. Grab your eggs. This is 2 eggs already scrambled. Pour them in the middle. All right, so let's start scrambling these eggs here in the middle. Just like going in little circles. You can see how they're already starting to scramble up a little bit. Now remember, this meal right here is gonna get you about 45 grams of protein. Look at that, look at them eggs. Come on now. They're already ready to go. The meat's already done. All you have is your coleslaw in there. Ooh, buddy. Eggs are pretty much ready. Now you're just gonna wanna mix it all in together. Let's go. And there you have it, guys. Look at that. Egg roll in a bowl. 5 ounces of beef, 2 eggs. I showed you the sauces. Come on now. 360 calories, 45 grams of protein, about 14 grams of fat, around 10 carbs. Carbs are coming from your coleslaw. Ooh, man, this smells good. Let's put it in a bowl. Now I had to get a big bowl because look at the size of this meal here. This is only 5 ounces of beef. Look at that. Look how much it makes. Man, come on. There it is. 5 ounces of beef. Come on now, you can't beat that. 45 grams of protein right here with the quickness. It's made in under 15 minutes. All you gotta do, cook the beef, and then once the beef is done cooking, add the coleslaw, add your sauces, and then once those are done, about 5 minutes or so, make the space in the middle for the eggs, pour your eggs in there, scramble them up, and then mix it all in together. Come on now, you got your meal in under 15 minutes. You cannot beat that. This is a great lunch or dinner. You can also hit it with some red pepper. I love using red pepper. I use it on all kinds of stuff. I'm definitely gonna use it on this, but man, the joker smells good. I'm ready to eat it. But definitely put this on there if you want to spice it up a little bit. Let's go put this hot sauce on there. Yeah, buddy, I ain't playing. Look at that. Look, it's like something you get at a restaurant right there, but you made it at the house, all right? Made in under 15 minutes. 360 calories, 45 grams of protein. Come on now, about 10 carbs. So if you want to bump the carbs up a little bit, throw some rice in this yogurt. Boy, that'll make it taste good too. I'm telling you, you have to try this one. When you try this one, you let me know, because this is gonna be a winner right here. You're gonna be having this for lunch or dinner. I almost guarantee you're gonna put this into your regular rotation. Almost forgot about what's in the freezer. Look at that right there, come on now. What you have here is just the yogurt, the protein, and some blueberries, all right? Just frozen for a little bit. Put it in the freezer, make this before, and then as you're cooking the meal, put it in the freezer so that it doesn't get too hard. You don't want it to be too hard. You want it to come out, look at that. It's almost like an ice cream. My gosh, that is so good. Wow. It has a yogurt with the vanilla, plus it's creamy. Man, it's like a little ice cream bowl with blueberries. Come on, man. If you don't have blueberries, use something else, or just leave it out if you don't want to, it don't matter. But this tastes so good. Talk about a refreshing treat afterwards. Come on now, tell me something. Both of these right here is a little over 500 calories, 75 grams of protein, about 16 grams of fat, and around 20 carbs or so, all right? So man, you cannot beat that. Lunch, dinner, got you covered. I'm trying to tell you, let me know when you try these, all right? Because it's gonna be really good. Like I said, you cannot beat this, man. 75 grams of protein, there's no more excuses. I got you covered. Have you tried the egg roll in a bowl? Let me know how you make it. If there's anything I can add to it, man, I'll definitely check that out as well, because I love making this all the time, because it's just so easy. Man, you can't beat it. And this right here, I'm trying to tell you, man, put this in your life too. It tastes so good. All right, 75 grams of protein. I'm about to eat this, and I'm about to eat this, and I'm gonna be ready to go. I'm gonna talk to y'all next time. Let's go. Guys, I'm serious. Do not miss this one. Wow. I mean, everything in here just mixes so well. That coleslaw mixes perfect with the beef. You spice it up right. Do that hot sauce on there. Man, that tastes so good. Oh man, I'll put these red peppers on there. Wow. Put a little of that on there. Not too much. And the good thing about this is that, I dropped some on the floor. After you have this, you know, because it's spicy, that's when the sweetness comes in. You know how sweetness goes with spicy and sweet go together? That's when that yogurt kicks in, okay? Because after you have a spicy meal like this, you might want something sweet, all right? And if you go to what you used to go to, that might throw you off, right? So I'm trying to give you better ideas, all right? If you don't want to make that yogurt, go get you a Yasso bar. I always recommend those, or some type of low-calorie, like ice cream bar or something. That'll really help out, because I know I get it a lot when I'm eating these, and I get the spicy and the saltiness, and then I'm thinking, man, I want something sweet. But if you go back to your old habits, you're gonna stay where you were, all right? And we're trying to make some new habits. So that's also why you have to keep your pantry. You gotta clean out your pantry, you gotta clean out your fridge. You gotta get all that old stuff out of there and put some new stuff in there to make it that when the sweet tooth kicks in, you only have a few options to go to. You don't have those old options that you used to do, okay? Man, I am gonna tear it. This is so good. Man, y'all let me know when you try this one. Wow. Every time I make this, it's so good. And it's so easy to make. Man, let's go, come on.